Today, I'm gonna put y'all on with this new drip website, this new drip company. They got the latest sneakers that you can ever need, my boy. So I'm about to unbox what they sent me. Hype Bro took upon themselves to send you boys yes, sir. Blown up. I'm back. First things first, if you clicked on this video and you ain't hit the like button, bro, what you doing, my boy? Hit that like button. Come on, I'm finna put y'all on, bro. Sub up, bro. Join the gang, bro. Join Glow No Best Gang on YouTube, bro. Road to 400K, let's go. Alright, Glow, today I'm gonna put y'all on with this new drip website, this new drip company. They got the latest sneakers that you can ever need, my boy. The name of the company is called Hype Road. Now, Hype Road just bless your boy with a special gift this holiday. So, you know, I'm feeling jolly, man. You know what I'm saying? I don't participate in Christmas, you know what I'm saying? But I'm feeling jolly. So I'm about to unbox what they sent me, man. Hype Road took upon themselves to send you boys the Chicago 1.
Damn!
You feel me? Look at this. Now, if y'all don't know me, man, I'm a 11s type of guy. Hold on. You think I'm lying?
He ain't lying.
You know what I'm saying? I'm rocking the 11s right now, but 11s is my favorite Jordans. I don't know why. These are my very first pair of Jordan 1s, so Hype Road, bro, I appreciate y'all, man. No cap, bro. Y'all got me cheesing, bro. Stop, man. My favorite player to this day of all time is Jordan. Everybody wants to be Jordan, you know what I'm saying? Kobe wanted to be Jordan, bro. At the end of the day, stop playing. You know what I'm saying? If you want to copy a pair of these or any other shoe that you want in mind, use my discount code GLOW for $15 off, man. Link in the description. You know what I'm saying? Their website, all their social media links will be in the description. Copy you a pair, bro, no cap. Wait, hold on, what? You want to see how it look on me? Okay, G. Okay, G. You know what I'm saying? All you have to do is ask, bro. Shit, you know, I'm gonna put it on, you know what I'm saying? For real shit though, like besides Jordans, bro, my favorite shoe is G Fazos, Air Force Ones, but I like to get the high top Air Force Ones, bro. A lot of people like the low tops. Only low top I like is a low 11s, bro, you know what I'm saying? But high top G Fazos, or mid tops too. That's my shit. Jordan 1s, bro. I think this is my new shit, bro. Hold on, let me show y'all what. I'll come, bro. I'm coming. Yeah. I can give y'all boy a POV. You know what I'm saying? I gotta lace them right on the left shoe, then lace it right on the left, but you know what I'm saying? Stop playing. You know, you see me. Bro, I ain't gonna lie to y'all boys. I think I'm finna start copping for sure 1s, bro. Bro, y'all let me know, bro. You know what I'm saying? Look, go on cop you a pair, bro. Use my discount code GLOW for $15 off. They got also deals going on their website. Link in the description. Follow them on all their social medias. They got all the shoes, off-white 4s, all the shits, my nigga. They even got the Go Blue Michigan 4s, my nigga. Go shop with them. Stop playing. Link in the description. That's all I gotta say, bro. Avis sent your boy some laces, bro. That's cool. But I think I'm gonna rock with the black one now. I might change it up, like if I change like a fit or some shit. But hi, bro. I appreciate y'all for this, bro. This is probably like the best gift I had all year. One of the best gifts I had all year. You know, very memorable moment. My very first Jordan 1. You know what I'm saying? So I appreciate y'all. Lord, if you ain't cop you a gift or cop your mom, girlfriend, best friend, whoever, you ain't cop them a gift, man, hit up their website. They got deals going on their website. I'm saying that's it for the video, man. I just gave y'all boys some drip, you know what I'm saying? Hype Road, we appreciate y'all. It's the holidays, man. Smash that like button for you, boy. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. You know what I'm saying? Join Glow Gang, join Glow Now. You know what I'm saying? We dropping vids every single day from gaming, vlogging coming soon. We finna start traveling. We got a whole lot of content coming, man. You know what I'm saying? I hope you have peace, positive, peace, positive night. Take yours out the bath water. Big, chill, but she got a fat ass. Tell us our jacuzzi, you dig? I love y'all boys. Gary.